Okay, this is how you add the AOC app. Okay, so I turn on my TV. I go to Roku, and look, I'm on the home page, and I'm going to go over here to add apps. Check it out. We're going to add an app. Let's see. I don't want any of that garbage right there. I'm going to go down to search. And what am I going to do? I'm going to go to Acadiana Open Channel Community Media and find their app. Actually, I'm just going to type in AOC. And look, okay, TV and movies. Well, we don't want that AOC. That's the wrong AOC. We want this one. Look at that. That's what it looks like. AOC Community Media. And I'm going to hit select. All right. Now I'm going to go to add app. And it is adding AOC Community Media. And this is going to be cool. I'm going to get all the great stuff locally produced here in Lafayette. Okay, it's been added to my home. I'm going to click OK. And now what are we going to do? I'm going to go to Open App. All right, here it goes. Check it out. All right, I believe, let's see, that's the first channel, that's the second channel. I'm not sure what these other ones are. I have not had time to explore it, but let's start with the first one. Oh, whoops. Let's start with that one. Channel 1 live. All right. Let's hit play. Let's see what's on AOC right now.
A situation around. Amen.
All right.
Amen.
Okay. You can call them. They'll answer the phone. All right, now let's go back. Let's go see what that other channel is. I believe that's just channel 2. All right. Here we go. Channel 2. All right, you can see how messy my house is through the glare on the TV.
Part of a growing CBS Inc. Well, now the news division is a
All right, so that's AOC Channel 2. I'm going to let this run for a minute. What time is it? It's 6:49. At 7 p.m., guess what happens? They're going to be running the Mardi Gras parades. And I know John Pastor put lots and lots and lots and lots of work into that, along with the teams that he assembled. So kudos to everybody that participated in filming the Mardi Gras parades here in Lafayette. But that's all it takes. Just go to Roku, look for apps, download the AOC app. Have fun.